Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Ford Bronco Badlands. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sasquatch package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got recovery hooks, you got a tow hitch, a full-size spare tire with your backup camera, you got your handle to pull your trunk open, the nice Bronco lights, Bronco logo right there. We do got the silver out Bronco logo just on the other side. We do got black fender flares, nice beefy off-road tires, rock rails as well, a nice soft top, as well as blind spot detection and turn light indicated with the fender flares on the front. And you do get tow hooks on the front, license plate bracket, front park sensing, the nice whiteout Bronco logo with a front view camera, and a nice bumper bar, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black vinyl interior, yellow stitching, got a nice yellow cargo net and cargo nets on the back seats. We got our own window down and up right there, and USB and USB-C, and 120 volt. And of course you can lift up the seats for under compartment storage, which is pretty handy. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same vinyl interior we saw in the back there, but with the additional Bronco logo on the front seats. Got that nice cargo net right there. We got a nice Bronco grab handle. You have your spotlights on your mirrors, lights, parking brake, and hood opener all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 46,578 kilometers. We do have a nice heated leather wrap steering wheel. Got your phone, media, toggle for your screen, volume, and cruise control. Looking here, we can go through our My View, trip and feel, off-road, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, that are your speeds, you have the Bronco logo, you got your go modes with four-wheel drive, your trail control, your windows and mirrors, vinyl wrap center console with tons of storage. You got storage right here with the Bronco logo, and wireless charger pad, USB and USB-C, nice little grab handle right there, heated front seats with dual climate. You have your 360 view of the vehicle, which is pretty nice, park assist, hazards, all right there, with your auto stop, auto start, Bronco logo right there. You got some outlets up here, which do include a USB and a USB-C. You do get your star bar disconnect, rear locking diff and front wheel, trailer turn, traction, and hazards. And up here we have 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, and a sound deadening soft headliner. Looking at your front screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You got your phone, navigation, any apps you may download will show up right here, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7827, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.